Welcome to my channel. The purpose of making this video is to learn how to make an explanation letter for a vehicle accident in a professional and formal way. Please see this video carefully. No. /2022/08 dated 30 October 2022. Mr. Ali Shah / Mohammed Shah, Lab Manager in Chemical Department, Fine T Limited, Lahore. Subject: Explanation for vehicle accident. Hope this letter finds you well. An explanation is requested regarding the vehicle accident that occurred on 30 October 2022 involving the company vehicle T-A. A thorough review of the circumstances surrounding the accident is being conducted. To facilitate this process, you are requested to provide a detailed explanation of the events that caused the accident as well as any factors that may have contributed to the incident. Please share your perspective on the situation, outlining the sequence of events, any actions taken to prevent the accident, and any relevant information that will help us better understand the situation. This explanation should be provided/reached before 30 October 2022 in writing. If you require any additional information or clarification, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Your prompt attention to this matter will be greatly appreciated and will be valued for your cooperation in this investigation. Thank you. Sincerely, Admin Manager, Fine T Lahore. No. /2022/09 dated 30 October 2022. Mr. Ali Shah / Mohammed Shah, Lab Manager in Chemical Department, Fine T Limited, Lahore. Subject: Explanation for vehicle accident. It has come to notice that vehicle No. T-01 handover to you by Fine T Ltd met an accident near Lahore surroundings. The said vehicle was assigned only to you visit the supplier at on 20 October 2022, but you have been found in violation of vehicle usage policy in this regard as and A handed over the vehicle to sale manager without permission of the mill's management. B. The right and fair implementation of the vehicle usage policy not adhered to. A thorough review of the circumstances surrounding the accident is being conducted. To facilitate this process, provide a detailed explanation of the events that caused the accident as well as any factors that may have contributed to the incident. In view of the above, you are hereby warned and forwarded an explanation as to why the lapse occurred. Your reply must be submitted by 30 October 2022. Regards, Admin Manager, Fine T Lahore. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get updates of new videos. Link is available in the description to copy the text of this video. Thanks for watching my video.